Hello humans, I am Tech Decryptor. This is weekly tech news. Google announced a new feature in the Google Maps app for its US customers, which enables them to pay for the parking meters directly through Google Maps. This feature is now available in more than 400 cities in the US and would be made available in 80 more transit systems around the globe. Also, many useful features like accurate lane widths and transit details have been added. Android 12 is going to launch with a dedicated gaming mode, which most other Android skins like MIUI and ColorOS had. A new auto-rotation mechanism, which uses your front camera to detect how you are looking on the screen to make auto-rotate adjustments, has been introduced. Also, a new reduced brightness quick settings has been added. Oppo patents a new phone, which will have the selfie camera sliding sideways. It can move from one end of the top bezel to another end, with a few stops in the process. Apple's foldable smartphone, which is expected to launch in 2023, will reportedly have a stylus support. The folding display is rumored to be developed by LG. Just imagine how expensive it could be. According to strong rumors, iPhone 13 will be having an always-on display functionality, which will show the time and battery usage data even when the phone screen is locked. Facebook is now working on a smart watch, which will have messaging and healthcare features, and is going to run on an open-source version of Android. Apple's iOS 14.5 update is going to bring around 200 new emojis, swipe gestures on Apple Music, new features in Apple Maps, and you can now unlock your Apple Watch from your phone. Sundesh app, an Indian alternative for WhatsApp, launched on Apple App Store first, and is now soon going to come to the Play Store. Microsoft's MS Office apps have been finally made iPad OS compatible. BlackBerry is going to return to the market this year, with its latest 5G smartphone, which will be having its classic keyboard. Google Photos in-app editor has got many new options to edit, with the latest update. Microsoft to give an FPS boost to its older games on Xbox Series X and S. That means now you can enjoy your games in a much smoother and responsive manner. Poco India has unveiled its new logo and the Made of Mad mascot. Carl Pei, Oneplus co-founder, says that the acquisition of the Essential brand was all because of patents. This could mean that a new smartphone could be released by Essential. Samsung announced the Galaxy F62 smartphone, with a massive 7000 mAh battery capacity, 64-megapixel camera and the flagship processor from Galaxy Note 10, the Exynos 9825, at a very aggressive price. LG is going to exit from the smartphone market, considering its loss of $4.5 billion in the past 5 years. It is going to focus more on its other products. Tell us if you still want to use an LG smartphone. Nokia 6300 4G with KaiOS is coming to the US market at a price of $70 in November. Disney Plus reaches 95 million subscribers, crossing their own expectations due to the important investments made in it. After testing for a month, Google's search page is going to get the dark theme again. Nissan is ready for a deal with Apple for its future smart car. Reports suggest that it is going to be ultra-premium, and expensive too. Before the Asus ROG 5 gaming phones launch, Nubia is going to release its new gaming phone, the Red Magic 6, which will have a 144Hz display, 480Hz fast touch response, Snapdragon 888 processor, 120-watt fast charging and a cooling fan, for better gaming performance. Are you excited for this? Tell us in the comments below. YouTube is giving a 4K video option to all the Android users in their app even if there is no 4K support. OnePlus 9 series phone's key specs leaked. Redmi Note 10 series, which is going to be launched on March 4th, will have 3 devices. Redmi teases some of the features like stunning design, supreme quality, lighter weight, and made for gaming. According to strong rumors, Apple may replace its iPad mini with a larger iPhone which is foldable. Samsung has promised 4-year security updates to all of its 2019 and later launched phones. The security update may be received monthly or quarterly, depending on the smartphone. Elon Musk says in a tweet that Starlink, the satellite-based internet provider, will double its speed up to 300 megabits per second later this year. The company is able to provide a speed of around 50 to 150 megabits per second currently. Netflix is adding a new feature that will automatically download shows and movies depending on your view history. For this, you just have to select the feature in the Downloads and set the amount of space you want to use for this. Microsoft Word is going to get a text prediction feature after an update in this March. The new feature is going to be similar to the Google Docs Smart Compose feature, which uses machine learning to predict what the writer may want to write next. WhatsApp will be disabling messages for everyone who doesn't accept their new privacy policy. It would start displaying a banner to remind people about their policy and let them read it. Have you read and agreed with their new privacy policies? Tell us your views about it in the comments section. Google enables the password checkup feature on Android along with 5 more useful features. The password checkup keeps the user's passwords in a much more protective environment, which can warn you if your password has been leaked. A message scheduling feature has been added to the Messages app. The TalkBack accessibility feature has been upgraded for better feedback speech and gestures with the help of blind and low vision communities. The dark theme is now available in the Google Maps app. The Android Auto application can now use your car's screen in a much better way to create a handy usability. And now the Google Assistant can take orders even if the phone screen is locked.